Today I'll be walking you through the new time card functionality on our manufacturing ops module. So now that I've finished welding on one of our work orders, I'm going to come over to the shop floor iPad and enter in my time on the work order. So I'm going to look up what I was working on, 1293, select that job, select the route that I was working on. So I just finished welding on the skid. So I'm just going to enter that in quickly here and submit my time. So I did 4 hours on this job. I'm going to press submit. And then if I was super efficient and I wanted to enter time on another job as well, I can quickly clear that, come back in, and do the same for another job. So the 1290, I'm going to throw in the same kind of thing, except I was working on the pressure vessel. Come in, we were welding again, but I only did 2 hours for that job. So I'm going to submit that, and that sends it over to the time card approval process, which I'll show momentarily from a managerial perspective. As Stevie's manager, I'm going to come into the labor management portal and just assess all of the different time cards that were associated with work orders for today. So as I look down the right-hand side here, you'll notice the different types of hours. I'm going to come in and just verify that those are in fact correct. And as I'm seeing the 1 hour of OT, I'm just going to come in and amend that because I know it wasn't OT. It was meant to be 4 hours of regular time. I can just simply edit this by clicking this pencil icon here, come in, delete out this one, and rectify that as 4 hours of regular time. So once I'm satisfied with everything that I'm seeing here, I'm going to group select the hours that I want to push back to the work order and click Update Work Order. Once the work order has been updated, all of that data is then sent to those respective work orders. So your supervisor's job for reviewing time entry is now complete. The shop and field users can use this through their tablets, their cell phones. So no matter how or where they're working, they can easily input all of their data. And you'll notice how simple that data entry for the shop and field staff is. So there's no more need for field or stamp cards through this process. It also gives you a great benefit of real-time labor costing, greater visibility to supervisors to view and manage time card entry. Those entries hit your job faster and give you real-time accurate job costing figures. And it also calculates all of that time for payroll purposes to then be exported to a third-party payroll site. Thanks again for listening to the overview of our time entry piece on our manufacturing ops module.